Balancing deep work and admin tasks can feel impossible, especially when your to-do list keeps growing. But by using time insights, you can optimize both without burning out. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to manage your time more effectively so you can achieve deep focus and still tackle your admin tasks with ease. To start, let's talk about the concept of deep work. Deep work is when you're fully immersed in tasks that require intense focus and creativity. These are the tasks that move the needle in your personal or professional life. On the flip side, admin tasks are the routine, often low-value work that fills up your schedule but doesn't help you move the needle. Now here's the key to balancing them: time insights. The trick is to first identify how much time you're actually spending on both deep work and admin tasks. You might be surprised by how much time is slipping away on things like emails, meetings, or minor tasks that add up over time. Using time tracking software can give you a clear picture of where your time is going. What we want to do next is make sure that you're carving out enough time for deep work while still keeping your admin tasks in check. One way to do this is by blocking out dedicated time for deep work, even if it's just an hour or two per day. During this time, turn off notifications, close your email, and focus solely on high priority tasks. To make room for admin work, try scheduling it during your off-peak hours, such as right after lunch or at the end of the day. Using time insights from the software we'll be using in this video, you can actually track how much time you're spending on deep work versus admin tasks and adjust accordingly. You'll be amazed at how much more you can get done when you're not switching between tasks every 5 minutes. A great tip to maximize your time management is to use the Pomodoro technique for deep work. Set a timer for 25 minutes of focused work, followed by a 5-minute break. This ensures you stay productive without burning out. When you're done with your deep work, check in with your admin tasks. Keep the admin time to a specific block and avoid letting it spill over into your focus time. One tool that helps with this balance is time tracking software, which we'll be using today. It gives you a detailed view of where your time goes and can help you stick to your deep work and admin blocks. I've tried all the most popular software for this, and I'm recommending the software we'll use today because it offers clear insights and is simple to use. You'll find an exclusive free trial link in the description below. This free trial is exclusive to viewers of my channel, so take advantage of it. Now, let's wrap this up with a key takeaway. To balance deep work and admin tasks effectively, it all comes down to tracking your time, blocking off focused work periods, and using tools that give you insights into your time management. The key is to make sure that deep work has priority, while admin tasks are handled in a controlled, time-limited manner. Quick recap. Use time tracking software to get insights into your day. Schedule deep work in dedicated blocks and handle admin tasks during your off-peak hours. And don't forget to try the software in the description below with the exclusive free trial. If you found this helpful, be sure to take advantage of that free trial and start taking control of your time today.